In this video, I'm going to show you how I analyze my competitor's YouTube channel with just a single prompt, generate bulk images for my content, and even create a landing page to promote affiliate products and increase my YouTube income, all using one platform that recently went viral on X. And that's not all. You can also use this platform to generate videos, handle office files, automate tasks, and even build your own custom skills. Everything is done within a single platform that I'll walk you through today. This is HappyCapy, an agent-native computer powered by Claude code that runs entirely in your browser. No local setup, no terminal configuration, no installation required. When HappyCapy launched on X for early preview, the post went viral, gaining more than 700,000 views and a 50% engagement rate. It's clear that people have been waiting for an autonomous agent that is both powerful and easy to use. So stay with me until the end of this video, and I'll show you exactly what this platform can do and how you can achieve the same results with just a few simple steps. First, click the link in the description to sign up and log in. For the first demonstration, I'm going to use this prompt: analyze this YouTube channel. Then I paste my competitor's YouTube channel link here. You can do the same with any channel you want to analyze. In the second part of the prompt, I ask the platform to break down everything, including the hook formula patterns, scripting structure, tone and language style, pacing, titles, thumbnails, and any other key elements we need to understand about the competitor's strategy. For this example, because I want to create a finance YouTube channel, I'm analyzing Alux. They currently have over 5.05 million subscribers and more than 640 million total views. There's no better case study to explore if you want to understand why their content performs so well. Before I submit the prompt, you'll notice the selected model is Sonnet 4.5. You can also try Opus 4.6, which is the latest model, or Opus 4.5 for more complex work. For this demo, I'm going to use the best model for everyday tasks. For this task, I won't select any skill, and let's see how it works. While we're waiting for the task to finish running, I'd like to explain that this platform is not like Claude code, which many of you may have already heard about. Claude code is powerful, but it has to run directly on your computer. This can carry risks, since it may have access to your files and system. HappyCapy, on the other hand, uses a virtual cloud computer as a secure sandbox. This solves that issue by protecting your privacy and allowing you to run it anytime, anywhere. After a few minutes, the task is done. Let's take a look at what we have. First, you'll see the markdown file that HappyCapy generated for you. You can download and save it for later use. To access this file, simply click on the Outputs tab at the top. This is also where you can find all output files after any task is completed. On the right side, you'll see the file already opened for you to review. We have the title, alux.com YouTube channel analytics. The channel has 5.05 million subscribers. The niche is luxury and fine living, wealth education, and personal development. The production style is faceless, with professional voiceover and branded animations. This is actually a great catch. The information is accurate. Below that, you'll find detailed data directly from the Alux channel. In the script structure patterns, you can see that Alux uses a hook within the first 30 seconds, a clear promise of what the viewer will learn. No fluff, immediate value proposition. The middle section takes up about 80% of the video. We can also see the content ratio: 40% educational, 35% entertainment, 25% inspirational. Honestly, I don't think I could get this level of in-depth results on my own. The script formula per video is also shown here in detail. As I scroll down, you can see that all the sections mentioned in the prompt are fully included in the results. For the thumbnail analysis, you can see the color scheme is dark blue. The font style Alux uses is thick sans serif, and many other small details. It's actually mind-blowing for me to see this level of analysis. I've included the exact prompt I used in the comments, so you can copy it and try it yourself. Now, let's move on to the second demo. In this demo, I want to generate images in the finance niche, and this is the prompt I used. Generate 20 unique images in this style: photorealistic, soft contrast, cinematic, with a late 19th, early 20th century Americana vibe. Each image must be a single full-frame scene only. No split screen, no collage, and no multi-panel layout. Create a variety of scenes, such as town streets, farmland, railroad settings. I also want a specific file name format so the files are easier to manage. Then, create a zip file containing all images. Provide a download link. Execute everything in batch. For skills, you can select the Generate Image skill. Since I already specified that in the prompt, I don't have to select it manually. Now let's Let's submit the prompt and let the platform handle everything. You can also specify an image model in the prompt, such as Google Banana Pro, Google Image Gen 4, or any other model you prefer. One great advantage of this workflow is that you can generate images in batch mode instead of waiting for each image one by one, which is what most users usually do. This saves a lot of time. You can even take a break and come back when the task is complete. After a few minutes, the task is done. Let's review the results together. For me, the results look good, and the images are in HD resolution. You can get even better quality by writing a more detailed prompt and specifying your target resolution, such as Full HD or 4K, depending on your purpose. You can see all 20 image file names listed here, and each one follows the naming format I requested in the prompt. I can also see the bundled zip file, so I can download all images at once. You can go further by prompting the platform to animate these images into videos. In this case, I updated the prompt to include the Google Veo 3 model so I could test HappyCapy's video generation capabilities. Again, one of the best parts is that you can walk away, take a nap, or even close the browser and come back later to completed work. After the task finished, I could see Google Veo 3.1 listed in the result, so it correctly used the model I specified in the prompt. Each video had duration, 8 seconds, aspect ratio, 16:9, estimated total time, around 1+ hour, but the actual generation time for all outputs was just a little over 10 minutes. Now let's review the results. I checked all output settings, and every video was generated in 720p, which is still a strong quality level. Getting 20 videos in a single run is really impressive. For finance content, I think this cinematic style is a smart choice. You can also try an Alux-like style, but in my experience, Alux uses a lot of complex 3D animated elements, which are harder to control consistently. If you want cleaner, more controllable output in this niche, I recommend cinematic, photorealistic documentary-style visuals. If you click on the Automation tab, you'll see pre-built automations. For example, Expense Report helps you auto-categorize expenses and draft monthly reports. Another template can summarize unread emails from the last 24 hours by sender and highlight action items. You can also summarize weekly sprint tasks, calculate velocity, and forecast next sprint capacity. These are all very helpful for me. If you want to create your own automation, just click the button, choose the settings that fit your needs, and describe what you want in the prompt box. Everything is simple and easy to use. Next, let's check out the skill store to see what else is available on this platform. From what I can see, there's Image Enhancer, PDF processing, great if you want to handle lots of PDF files, Canvas design, AI image generation with 50+ models, including strong options like Gemini, Grok, and Dream. If you want to use Nano Banana Pro, you can select that skill as well. Alright, now let's move on to the last demo, creating a landing page to promote affiliate products and increase YouTube income. For example, by selling finance books. This is the prompt I used. If you want the prompt, check my comment below the video. For this demo, I selected the front-end design skill and submitted the prompt to see what the platform could build. I have more than 15 years of experience as a senior software engineer, and work like this usually takes a lot of time, normally at least 2 weeks. But with AI, you can get results in just minutes. Alright, it's done. Now I'm opening the website built by HappyCapy so you can check it out. I should mention that all of these results came from a single prompt. No local setup, no terminal configuration, no installation. Everything I needed for a bookstore website was included, as you can see on the screen. And if you want to make adjustments, you can simply add more instructions in the prompt box to change anything you like. One last thing I want to mention about HappyCapy. You can enable the agent team option, available for Max Plan users. Each conversation can spin up a team of agents with dedicated roles, and the final output is often more complete and accurate. That's pretty much it. If you want to try this platform, click the link in the video description. Thanks for watching. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.